Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Sayona 9286V model hair dryer. Problem in this hair dryer that it is blowing air but it is not producing enough heat. If you don't have good practical experience in electrical circuits, never try to repair because it have live voltage inside. Let's see what is the problem. Now we will check temperature. It is reaching up to 47 degrees centigrade. Set multimeter to continuity. Place this selector switch at one side and we will connect one wire, one test lead here. It is not giving continuity with anyone. First position, it will give continuity here. Second and third, no. Second position, it will give continuity with second wire. At third position, it will give continuity here, here and here. So this switch is good. Set multimeter to ohms. We have this common wire, neutral wire. It is coming at this point and then it is reaching to thermostat switch that is here. From the thermostat second end, it is connected to this heating element and there is a white wire here, jumper wire, that is reaching to this point. It is connected to this small spring which is in series to the motor. So we must find continuity between this black wire, that is this one, and the second end of this heating element. Yes, it is 135 ohms. That means this heating element is good. If we check heating element itself, so 135 ohms. In fan mode, in heater mode, low heat, full heat, this spring will remain in series to the motor. And then we have this heating element. It have two sections. The first section, that is with this yellow wire. From this yellow wire and this neutral wire, there is a diode in series, and after diode it is connected to this spring. When we place this switch at third position at full heat, this white wire, it will bypass this diode and this heating element will receive direct 220 volt and it will produce full heat. Place black lead at this common wire and check at this heating element, this thermal switch. It is giving resistance and it is connected to this end of the heating element. This black wire here, it is connected here. And if we check at this point, white wire that is coming from this switch, here it is giving open circuit. We have open circuit between these two lines. Until here we have 59.5 ohm resistance, but we have disconnection here. At this point. So this is the reason it is not heating up. It was producing heat just only by this small heating element. This heating element, large section, it is not working. When we select low heat, 220 volt are rectified, this heating element will produce low heat. When we select to full heat, direct 220 volt will applied to this heating element. But now in this condition, this heating element is disconnected. Now I pressed heating element here, and we will also verify this end, and now we will check resistance here between the input terminal and this white wire. So it is good. Now let's pack it up, and we will check its result, because we cannot power on directly because it have open contacts here and it have open heating element. So we must pack it up and then we will check it. Let's make final testing. Set multimeter to temperature measurement. In the off condition, it must remain off. If we install this switch in opposite direction from inside, it will turn on at full speed when the switch is in off position. Always place the switch in this condition, that off position must be at off position. It is giving the same temperature which it was providing while powering on, while starting the video. And now I will set to first position. Now I adjusted it to low heat and it is providing high temperature, 70 degrees centigrade. And temperature is increasing now. Now I will set to full heat. Yes, it is now providing high heat. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.